Alright, welcome to OTF 5. What you're looking at is our gun collection this year. It's advanced a little bit, it grew a little bit, and there's going to be a quiz for you at the end of this. So I want you to pay attention to the video, and at the end of the video I'm going to ask you a question, and I'm going to give you around 5 seconds to give me a call, and there will be a prize awarded. So just keep that in mind as you're watching the video. So if you want to pan around or you want to start naming it off right now. All right, here we go. What we have up here in the Glock corner, at the top right there, you're looking at the Glock 17 9mm. All right. And as you roll on down, that's another Glock. That's a model 19, which is a 9mm. And below that one is the Glock 20C. That's the compensated slide and barrel. That's a 10mm. And the one on the end there is a Glock 23, which is a 40 caliber. Okay. You slide up to the top there, what you're looking at is a F&N, that's a 5.7 by 28. And then go down just a hair there, you're looking at a Beretta model 85 FS, that's a 380. And then you roll up to the top there, you're looking at a Ruger Mark III, and that shoots the 22 long rifle. And that little guy there, okay, it's been around for a long time, is the Beretta 950 BS. And that shoots a 22 short. And that little conversion that you're looking at fits on the Kimber 1911, so you can shoot a 22 long rifle. So, and then we're going to slide over there to the Beretta, that's the PX4 Storm, which is a 9mm. Then we're going to come on down and look at the Springfield XD9, which is a 9mm. And then down a little bit more there is a Sig Sauer XSP 2022, and that shoots a 9mm. And then down there on the bottom is a Springfield XDS, which is, believe it or not, it shoots a 45, great for carry. And over here you're looking at our 1911s. The first one up there is the Smith & Wesson E Series 1911, and that shoots 45. And the one right below it is also a Smith & Wesson E Series 1911, but it has the tactical rail. Okay, it makes it look a little bit more aggressive. Then down there is the Kimber 1911, which shoots the 45. And at the bottom is a Sig Sauer 1911, and believe it or not, that shoots 22 long rifle. Okay, so we'll slide over to the top there to the shotgun, which is a Benelli Nova 12 gauge pump. And then on the left side is a Mossberg 500, which is a Blackwater, and that's a 12 gauge pump as well. And what we can do is we can scroll down. Did we do the wheel guns? No, I think we passed that real quick while we're over here. We might as well do the wheel guns. Right there is the Smith & Wesson 329 PD, which is a 44 Magnum. I gotta say it every year. You pick that up and shoot that. That thing weighs 25 ounces. You feel it, your hand feels it, and it's fun to shoot though. And right there, what you're looking at is a 686 Plus, shoots 7 rounds. That's a 357 Magnum. And then go all the way over there to the right is a Smith & Wesson as well. It's a Model 29 44 Magnum. And then in the center there, you're looking at two of the 642, they're 38 Specials. Real fun to carry as a pocket. So, all right, we'll swirl over here to the other side and see what we got over here. And the first one we're looking at, that's a shotgun, is the, I believe that's the Benelli Nova? No.
That's the Remington 1100.
Oh, the Remington 1100. I stand corrected, that's 12 gauge. And the one next to it, okay, that's the Benelli Super Black Eagle 2, which is a 12 gauge. And that right there, you're looking at a Sega AK-47. I believe that's the Russian Ordnance, and that shoots the 7.62 by 39. And next to that one's the Ruger Mini 14, and that will shoot the 223 or the 5.56. And at the end there, you're looking at the New Frontier AR-15, and that will also shoot the 223 or the 5.56. So there you have it for OTF 5, and that's looking pretty nice, I think, anyway. And the one thing I was wanting everybody to pay attention to, and I'll turn my phone on, is, and you can't run it back to video or anything like that. I need a phone call within 5 seconds. I want you to tell me how many magazines you see on this table right now. All right? So as always, you're welcome to come down and clean all these with us. We appreciate you watching the video, and we'll be back for OTF 6.